Also ich bin Dieter Kölsch, ich bin Drucker und Schlagzeuger. Wir sind die Lumbung Druckerei, das heißt wir drucken für die Künstler der Documenta.
We're in Documenta Halle at Documenta 15 and more specifically in the Lumbung Press. Best place to be in Documenta.
Well, Lumbung Press is a collective project that was, let's say, all the artists of the Lumbung gathered together.
It's the Lumbung artists and Lumbung members. So everyone who is invited to Documenta 15 can print here. Also, all the people, artists, collaborators from their ecosystem who they invited to use this as a resource.
It's part of our publication plan for the entire Documenta 15. We knew for sure we didn't want a big one. We wanted to make many. We invited Eric on board as an artistic editor. And you were actually the one coming up with this brilliant idea now. Like if we want to print many and we want to print what we need to make when we need it, then we need our own infrastructure.
Also wir haben hier eine Zweifarben Komori-Maschine, 50/70, dann haben wir hier eine Falzmaschine, dann haben wir hier eine Rückstichheftung und noch einen Planschneider. Damit sind wir eigentlich so als Druckerei, es ist eigentlich so quasi die Grundausstattung von einer Druckerei.
Yeah, we did comics, we did recipe books, we did program, we did protest,
educational material.
Educational material.
Spontaneous people coming, like walking around, just gather the project. And there were people that just literally they say like, can we join? And they joined the place. So, and this whole interaction with people is being like, I think that's like the jewel that we kind of like gather around.
No, it's just so nice to hold the results in your hands. I think one of my highlights is of Banorg, a foldable flyer, and it looks so perfect and so beautiful. The things that come out of the press are like all beautiful in their own way.
We're giving 50 copies of each printed item to the Lumbung kiosk. And then, of course, the artists, they have taken their copies and distributed them in their own networks or in their own spaces in the exhibition.
Well, we're working really hard at the moment to secure it. The Lumbung members and artists got together and used a big chunk of their collective pot on acquiring the machinery, but we still need to secure it for the future, so we're working very hard on that now. Yeah, we're trying to figure out the best mechanic to do so. Maybe it's with Lumbung Gallery, maybe not, and we're thinking of different ways that we can move this machinery around in the future.
Ich bin hingegangen und habe gesagt, Leute, ich sage jetzt was, aber bringt mich nicht gleich um. Ich möchte gerne auf der Druckmaschine oben sitzen und Schlagzeug spielen. Also für mich ist Lumbung die beste Idee überhaupt. Wann hast du schon mal die Gelegenheit als Drucker mitten in so einem Raum, ich meine, die wiegt 6 Tonnen, die Maschine. Und das ist ja nicht irgendwie ein kleines Ding.